Hi, I discovered the other day that one of our bikes had a flat tire, and I figured I could just share the process of how I fixed it using one of these cheap repair kits that can be bought at basically any store. I am 0% an expert or even a novice at bike repairs. However, I had learned that these little repair kits can do wonders, at least when the actual damage is as obvious as this one, where a metal splinter had made its way straight into the tire. First, what you want to do is that you want to locate where the air is leaking out. I usually inflate the tire and then listen my way to the leakage, but you can also remove the whole or part of the tube from inside the tire, inflate it a little and hold it underwater to see where it bubbles. In this case though, like I said, it was pretty obvious where the hole was. So what I did first is that I flipped the bike upside down for a better working position. Then I needed to deflate the tire completely and then use these two prying tools that most of the time comes included with the repair kits to carefully lift the actual tire off of the rim. This can be a little fidgy and sometimes require a little force. However, after going at it for about a minute, I got in enough to be able to get the actual tube out of the tire. After inflating the tire a little again here, I was also able to pinpoint the exact location of the hole. After having removed the little metal splinter from the tire, preventing it from making more damage, all I then had to do to seal the hole again was to deflate the tube by twisting the vent, then use the little piece of sandpaper included in the repair kit to roughen up the area around the hole a bit, before applying one of the also included repair tape circles and pushing onto it for about 30 seconds to make sure it fastens securely. And after that, it's basically just a matter of reversing the process. That is by putting the tube back into the outer tire on top of the rim, using the included tool to snap the tire in place over the tube carefully without breaking it, and then inflating the tube and tire once more. In this case, I was lucky enough that the repair worked great, and after 3 days it has been zero sign of any more leakage. Again, I am no expert at this and it might not be the best way to repair a tire, but it has worked great for me many times, so hopefully it can help someone else too. Thank you for watching, good luck and have a nice day. Bye!